If I only had 3 minutes to change your life, this is exactly what I would say. Your whole life changes the minute you decide that there is nothing in your way. Your skin color, your identity, your background. None of that matters because that is not what is holding you back. To become the person you want to be and to make the impact you want to make, you have to destroy your own excuses. You have to stop holding yourself back in order to get where you're trying to go. And the fastest way to get that in life is to change your environment. Your environment is your number one distraction. This is what's likely holding you back. Keep you feeling stuck and comfortable and not pursuing your goals. Listen, your friends, your relationships, even the location where you live, in order to be successful in life, all of it probably needs to change. If you want to really level up, the hard truth is you're gonna have to change your entire environment. Once you change your environment, you have to understand that you already have everything inside you that you need to be successful. But do you really want to know what's not going to help you be successful? Shortcuts, motivation, get rich easy, make money fast. They are all BS, and you know that. The only thing that will change your life is consistent action. And you are the only person that is able to solve your problems. No one's coming to save you. You must know, if you want to have a great life and make an impact in the world, it starts with you. And you already have everything that it takes. But this great life won't actually start until you figure out what is stopping you. And the number one thing that held me back for years was control. As a young man, I used to have this quote on my desk: if you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done. And I really wanted to help people. I really wanted to make a difference in the world. I really wanted to make an impact in the world. But how could I have done that if I could even control my own choices? And how did I spend my time? And who I spend my time with? How am I controlling what I put into my body? If I can't control what time I go to bed at night and what time I wake up in the morning, what are the chances that I'm actually going to be able to control my life enough in order to make an impact on somebody else's? So figure this out. What is stopping you? And start take the steps that is required to change it. And start today. And if you change and improve just a little bit every single day, success will be right there if you don't quit. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and watch this one next.